MujerBiker in the rain. Woo! That is right. I'm sorry I got too excited, but I mean, I used to get scared riding when it was like, you know, raining, but not anymore. I get more excited and more respectful when I'm riding, you know. I don't know why. It's another feeling, and I love that. I like it. It's raining and you are like extra precaution everywhere, you know. You're just looking right, left, back, front, everywhere, man. It's 360 in less than a minute. I mean, second. I'm sorry. It's crazy. I love it. The first time that I was at work and it started raining and I have my gear for raining days, you know, but I was scared. It was intimidating, that's the word. And I was like, I'm gonna ask for a ride, but then I thought, if it's not now, then when? So yeah, I ride on the rain day back to home, and I was nervous the entire road, dude. It was so nervous, but I did it, and it was a great feeling. I did it. I was so excited. And then I think that special week, whatever, that week, it rained so much, and I ride to work raining, and same thing. I was nervous, but you know, there's things that you have to practice, that you have to knowledge, especially if you are riding a bike. Even though my work is like 10 miles, it's not a long distance, but I try to know my bike more and more every day. And like I say, you have to do things around and get over your fears. Like mine, it was riding in a rain, you know, like days like this. And now every time that it's raining, it's like, yeah, I'm gonna ride. Obviously you're doing more cautions, you look everywhere every time, but it's one of those days that you just learn. Every day is to learn. Just practice and practice and practice. shit. Got the blanket thing. So yeah, guys, if guys or girls, if you are afraid to ride on the rain, if you feel really insecure doing that, then just don't do it, you know. Or maybe just go on your block and drive around, I don't know, for 10 minutes or 15 minutes and fill the road with the water and the rain, and I don't know, get the feeling. And that's the only way you're gonna know more your bike on the rain. Your tires, you know, what type of tires you have on it. Mine, they just regular tires, you know. They're not like for, I don't know, like those dirt bikes or whatever. I don't know how they call it, off-road or whatever. And it's kind of scary, don't take me wrong. But I gotta get over it and enjoy my bike, enjoy my life. Because you know, when you're in your bike, it's another life. Much easier, much excited, much everything. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Drive safe. Peace. MujerBiker.